Hello guys, here is I have Moto G Play 2024 and this phone screen is cracked, and I'm gonna show you how to replace the screen step by step. Stay with me. First we're gonna remove this back cover. We need to apply some heat on top of that, and then with this knife we're gonna remove this back. It's not a heavy glue, so just apply some heat and remove it. If you don't have heat gun, you can use it alcohol also. 99% alcohol you can find in CVS, Walgreen. You can remove this with alcohol also. We're almost done to remove this back cover, and there is some glue left. We have to remove it. We're gonna clean it later on also, the frame one. And now we're gonna remove this ollie screw. This ollie screw or star screw is all are same. There is two kind of screen on the market. One is with the frame one is without frame one, and I'll show you with the frame one. We remove this top side. Now we're gonna remove this screw bottom side. There is some screw also, you have to remove it. And we already removed this ollie screw. Now we remove the SIM card first, then we're gonna remove this frame. Remove this SIM card. Now we're gonna remove this back housing frame. It just has a lock, we have to unlock it. It's easy to unlock it. Just with the knife pushing up, it's come out easily. This side you have to carefully remove it because there is power button, volume button flags, and slowly lifting up. There is a fingerprint flags. You don't want to lift it, so just slowly lifting up and then disconnect this fingerprint flags. Now we're gonna disconnect this battery. There is the battery connection. We're gonna disconnect it, and this is screen connection. And now we're gonna separate the antenna connection from here, and we're gonna remove this motherboard. Now we're gonna remove this motherboard with this knife. Just slowly lifting up. It's come out easily. We separate the motherboard, and bottom side we're gonna remove this speaker. This is the loudspeaker, and disconnect this charging port connection. And there is one screw, we have to remove it. Then we're gonna remove the charging port. With this finger you can slowly push up, it's come out easily. And now you're gonna remove this vibration. You can use a 99% alcohol, and also you can apply heat to remove it. And we're gonna use alcohol also here on a speaker. And with this tweezer we're gonna remove this connection first, and from right side we're gonna slowly lifting up this speaker. Yeah, now we're gonna remove this volume button and power button flags. Use some alcohol. Also you can apply heat to remove it. Both way you can do it. Just slowly lifting up, and use also some alcohol also this side. And with the tweezer we're gonna lifting up slowly. remove this power button flex, and now we're gonna remove this battery. This Motorola battery is hard to remove it. Use some alcohol on side, and first we're gonna remove little bit, lifting up with this blade. This is not a sharp blade. Do not use sharp blade, your battery will be exposed. So with this blade we're gonna lifting up a little bit, then we're gonna use plastic tools. So after lifting up, we're gonna put more alcohol, and then we're gonna lifting up with this plastic tool so it doesn't leak the battery. And slowly you're gonna try to lifting up, and it look like this battery is not heavy glue than previous Motorola phone. It's easy to remove it. And now you're gonna make it even. There's some, just with this plastic tool we're gonna slide it down and just make it even, and look, battery straight. If it's bent, you're gonna have to unbend it, and look, battery is straight. And here is the new screen with the frame on. And now we're gonna use it first, make a ear speaker, and there is one hole, the center we're gonna put the speaker connection, and there is the power button flex. Just press it down. Previous connection has it like glue on it, so we need to put extra glue. If there is no glue under the connection, you have to put the glue on it, but there is previous glue, so we don't need to put extra glue. Insert the motherboard top side first, then just press it down. And now we're gonna connect this LCD connection, and just press it down this ribbon. There is some glue on bottom side, so it's easy to attach with the frame. And remove this plastic. Under the plastic there is glue. And now you're gonna install the battery. We don't connect the battery, just install the battery. And now you're gonna put back this vibration first, and there is a hole, you have to put it on center. And now we're gonna insert this charging port. First goes on charging port place, and then we're gonna connect this charging port connection, and there is one screw, we have to put back a screw right here. And now we're gonna organize this antenna line, and we're gonna press it down this antenna line, and now we're gonna connect this battery. So we all set here, and there is only my loudspeaker left. We're gonna put back this loudspeaker, and now we're gonna put back this back housing. First we're gonna connect this fingerprint flex, and then now top right corner on volume side we're gonna put it back first, and then we're gonna press it down all side. And before put it back all screw, we're gonna turn on the phone, make sure touch everything work fine. It's turning on. It's turning on phone, and we're gonna swipe up, scroll it, it's work. I'm gonna type it all numbers, see, make sure all number working. Yes, all number is working. So touch also fine. And now we're gonna put it back all screw back side. And all screw are same. And bottom side we're gonna put it back all screw. To put it back all screw, we're gonna clean it all previous glue. Before clean the glue, we're gonna put it back SIM card. Now we're gonna clean it all previous glue, and then we're gonna use and I'm gonna install this back cover. On this area to carefully remove it. You don't wanna damage any battery or ribbon ripped it. And there is a glue. You're gonna put it back all side. And we're gonna use some this side and this side. And now we're gonna wait like 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, now we're gonna install this back cover and just press it down all side. And you can use a clip or you can use a tape to hold this back cover. Leave it on 2-3 hours is better, because this kind of glue take times to dry up. So we're gonna keep it 2-3 hours. After that we're gonna remove it and clean this and glue everything. It's easy to remove this tape, and you can see it's nicely closed all back side. We're gonna clean it also later on with this alcohol. Yeah, all side is nicely closed. There is no gap. And now you're gonna check it charging properly. Yes, it's charging. You can see it charging now. 60% has charge. That's all right now. Let me know how you guys like it, and thank you for watching.